What's the meaning of causal? Causal. Causal.
Causal. Causal. The term causal refers to a relationship between two or more events or variables where one event or variable is responsible for causing the occurrence of the other event or variable. In other words, one thing leads to another. For example, smoking causes lung cancer. The causal relationship between smoking and lung cancer means that smoking is the cause and lung cancer is the effect. Understanding causal relationships is important in many fields, including science, medicine, and psychology, as it helps to explain why things happen and how they can be prevented or treated.